Today, in the Spanish state, a Supreme Court ruling was announced which is a direct affront to the human rights, including the right to assembly and to demonstrate, the freedom of expression and the right to a fair trial. This is unacceptable in the 21st century Europe. Spain is experiencing a drift toward authoritarianism in which an anti-terrorism law is used to persecute dissidents and where even artists are persecuted for exercising their freedom of expression. The leaders who were convicted today represent the majority political parties and the most important civic entities in Catalonia. Neither Pedro Sánchez government nor any other Spanish government has been brave enough to deal with this conflict with dialogue and respect, and instead have chosen repression as the only response. The independence process is a true grassroots and inclusive movement with a long history based on the Catalans' desire for self-government. Neither xenophobic nor selfish, this is a movement whose strength comes from a foundation based on pluralism and diversity. This non-violent struggle will not stop until the repression ceases and the right to self-determination is respected, like in Quebec and Scotland. We demand that the Spanish government find a political and democratic solution. What we demand is Spain sit down and talk. We ask that international public opinion and civil society pressure their governments to intervene in this conflict in order to find political and democratic solutions. We call on the international community to take a clear position in favor of a resolution to this conflict based on dialogue and respect. We repeat, there is only one path: sitting down and talking, sitting down and talking.